Sound in medicine. Reflection, transmission, interference, and intensity levels. By Assistant Professor of Medical Physics Dr. Al-Arif. Reflection and transmission of sound. When sound wave with intensity, I0, incident perpendicular on an interface, boundary, dividing two dissimilar media with different acoustic impedance, part of the incident wave transmitted, it, and the other part reflected back, ear, as shown in the figure. Therefore, we can say that total incident intensity equals transmitted intensity plus reflected intensity. The ratio of reflected, ear, to incident intensity, I0, in terms of the acoustic impedance for the two media is given by the following equation, where Z1 is the acoustic impedance of the first medium, and Z2 is the acoustic impedance of the second medium. If Z1 equals Z2 in the above equation, then I reflected equal to 0, which means that all incident intensity is transmitted, which is the recommended case. Therefore I transmitted as 100%. This phenomenon is called matching impedance. Matching impedance is the aim in diagnostic ultrasound, since we require to make the transmitted wave intensity maximum. This can be achieved by applying tissue like gel or water on the surface of the body to eliminate air and to make medium, 1, similar to medium, 2, interference of sound wave. 2, or more, sound waves travel simultaneously in a medium may interfere. The resultant intensity is the sum of the individual intensity of the interfering waves. This phenomenon is called interference, which can be either constructive or destructive, as shown in the figure. The standing waves. When two waves of the same frequency and amplitude traveling in opposite directions interfere, the resultant wave pattern appears to be stationary, not moving, standing, and is called a standing wave. Standing waves can exist only at specific frequencies, which are called resonant frequencies. The interference produce pattern areas with destructive interference called nodes and other with constructive interference called antinode. As you can see that in the figure, the number and sequence of the node and antinodes produce the voice harmony when we speak. Our brain can recognize that voice according to the voice harmony. The ear and hearing. As in the figure, the human ear is divided into three regions. 1. The outer ear consists of the ear canal ended with eardrum. 2. The middle ear consisted of three small bones, the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. 3. The inner ear contains the cochlea, a snail-shaped tube about 2 cm long. It is divided along its length by the basal membrane, which consists of small hairs, cilia, and nerve fibers. Standing waves developed in the ear canal giving the voice harmony, which is analyzed and recognized by the brain. Intensity level. Intensity level refer to the loudness of sound intensity, I, compared to a reference sound intensity, I sub 0, which is threshold of hearing, the lowest audible sound intensity for human ear, and is given by the following logarithmic law: the threshold of hearing, I sub 0, equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 watt per square meter. The unit of intensity level is the decibel. Decibel. Solved example. Please follow the solution by yourself. Solved example. Please follow the solution by yourself. Here you have two problems to be solved by you. Please check your result with the given answer.